YouTube, what's the word? We back again with another one, SS Family. Today, got to go pick up the 2015 Yukon. I just had bought it off the Manheim auction. Got a good deal on it, paid like 6,500. Do got a lot of miles on it, like 197. Like, if you're afraid of miles, then I don't know what to tell you. I'm not. I done had plenty of Yukons, Tahoes, Suburbans, Escalades with over 200,000 miles. I even had one with like 300,000 miles on it, so that don't bother me at all. I just needed something to get around as a daily driver. Paid 6,500 for it, and from the pictures I was looking at, it's definitely gonna need some work. Definitely gonna need body work, and it's definitely gonna need a detail. And whatever else wrong with it, I'll get it straight. If not, I got my body guy Roberto on standby for the body, and I also got my guy Vic for the mechanical part. So we'll get it together one day at a time. I just need something to get around. Last video, if y'all seen, I had copped the Vet, and I can't ride that every day. Plus, I've been driving my girl car every day, the Jeep. And you know how it is, sharing a car with a woman. I ain't trying to do that. No, 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 no. So, went ahead and caught me something. Spent a couple thousand. I wanted a Denali. The ones I seen that I wanted, they was about 15K. Not trying to spend that right now. I spent half of that. Put the rest of the money up. Invest it. Do something else with it. So, we're going to go up here right now. Check it out. See what's to it. And just go from there. I appreciate y'all rocking with me for another one. And I'll see y'all in a minute. Peace. Okay, so we made it back to the house, and man, what can I say? She a project, definitely a project. They took forever to bring out. It took about 45 minutes just to get out the gate. That's why I ain't filmed. But overall, the body gonna need some TLC. She got smudge marks and swipes all over. But I knew what I was getting myself into when I looked at the picture. They showed everything in the picture. They ain't try to hide nothing, so it was on me. So when I checked in person, I was like, overall, the body, I give it a 4 out of 10. But as far as running, she runs good. Suspension is good. Transmission good. 4-wheel drive work. Everything else seemed to work pretty good. So I'm happy with that. And she comes with some Continental tires. That's my favorite brand of tire because they last a long time. Like even this one got good tread on it. It don't look like it in the video, but if you've seen it in person, there's a lot of tread left. I always like the Continentals over the Michelins because the Michelins tend to make noise as they wear. Now, does have a few rust spots I'm going to have to get cut out and get fixed by my guy Roberto. So that's another couple hundred right there, maybe 1,000. We'll see. But overall, am I happy with the truck? It's okay. I'll get it up to how I want it. I just don't understand how people go out and buy these trucks. They were like 50 or 60 grand when they were new, and then just dog it. It's only a one owner car, so whoever had it, they just did whatever they want to it and didn't maintain the things that they need to. They seem like they maintained it as far as running, because it runs damn good, but you got stuff like this bumper hanging off, scrapes all on the bumper, rust spots that come from not actually watching it and getting it ceramic coated and things of that nature. So I don't know. We'll figure it out, and I'm gonna get it together, and we're gonna go from there. The interior dirty. The dash is dusty. They got bubblegum wrappers all in the door. I even seen some McDonald's French fries back there. You know they don't mold neither, so that's how I know they've come from McDonald's. And she gonna need a lot of love on the interior also, but I'm the best with the detail. Everybody know it. My boy Nate, he think he better, but I'm 10 times better. He ain't no competition. I'm finna show y'all in the next video. I can't show y'all the detail on this one because I ran out of time. But as you can see, it's gonna need some love, man. I don't even know what this shit is right here. Just a lot of garbage and junk. That's the key to the wheel lock, so I guess that's a good thing. But you can see how that cup holder look. You see the radio all dusty. Things, yeah. So it's gonna be another one of them projects. It's sad to say. Yeah, I got my hands full, but she'll come alive. I'm gonna open this console, see what's up in it. Look like bugs, shit flying out of it. These people always amaze me with these cars. I just be thinking like, man, how hard is it to detail? And if you can't do it, how hard is it to take your car in, pay a few dollars, and go ahead and keep it looking good? But everybody ain't built like me, so it is what it is. As they ride and get it up to miles and they just get tired of it, they trade it in, and I gotta be the one to come by it and bring it back to life and ride it for myself. So I'm not complaining. It is what it is. Like I said, I'm gonna get it together. It's probably not gonna be on this video. It's probably gonna be on the next one, because I'm trying to cut this one short already. So let's flip this seat back, see what surprises we got behind here. I see nothing but hair. What do we have here? What is this? Oh, we got some fish bait on our hands, boy. Let's go fishing. Let's get the barbecue grill out. We got some fish bait on deck already. Grab our rods and do whatever we gotta do, man. You can see this shit filthy back here. They got chips back here. I think I seen the Cheez-It back there. Somebody left a Cheez-It back there. Definitely get that up for my daughter. Get it. Should be glad to eat it off the floor. Now these don't have the electric seats. These are the ones you gotta do manually. Let's see what's up in the little cubby hole. Oh, we got more French fries. They don't mold. They still ready to be eaten. Yeah, it's gonna be a few hours on this one. I see this already. Okay, we got candy under here. Seen some more hair, look like some peanuts. Yeah. Story goes on. So, like I said, it'll take me a few hours to get it together. I'm gonna go ahead and do what I gotta do to it. Shampoo the carpet. Put some smell good in it. It's gonna be much cleaner, but y'all gotta check the next video out for that. I ain't gonna be able to get to it in this video. I wish I could. But definitely on the next video, and I'm going to drop that one pretty quick, like they coming back to back. So, we're going to do our thing and go from there. Here goes some more French fries for you. McDonald's, man. Y'all got to do something about y'all fries. I see y'all fries in every car. This shit getting out of hand. Just when I said everything was good mechanically, here we go. The fans, they steady running consistently. As soon as you cut the car on, even when you cut it off, you look at the temperature gauge, it's not even halfway, and it's been running for over a half hour. They haven't heated up at all, so we got something going on. I got to bring out the reader, the cold reader, and figure out what's going on. So I got the cold reader out. Go ahead and scan the system real quick. It didn't have a check engine light on the dash, but this code reader, it'll read the last codes that was erased. You know, they always seem to get erased right before you buy them. Ain't that a coincidence? So you go down to engine. I'm gonna go to read codes. There you go. P0128. Coolant thermostat. Below, it gotta say below threshold. So that's a thermostat. And while I'm back there, I might as well change the coolant temperature sensor, if I ain't mistaken. I'm gonna take it apart first and see how they looking. I'm gonna go ahead and order the parts. That's an easy fix though. I'll knock it out, but always in for a surprise though. Alright, to get to this thermostat fairly easy, it's a hose on each side of this air box. So you're going to push the clip down on that one, pull it back. The other side, you're going to push the clip up, pull it back. Once you get done with that, go ahead and grab your flathead screwdriver. You're going to go ahead and untighten this bracket that goes into the throttle. So once you do that, go over to the other side. It's a bracket right there that goes into the air box. You got to untighten that so both sides are loose as you pull it off. Now, when they both loose, grab it with your hand, pull it back towards you, and then pull it to the right. After that is off, you should be able to see the thermostat housing. On top of that, you should be able to see the, on the side of that, you should be able to see the coolant temperature sensor. That's on the left side of it. So what I'm grabbing on right now, that's the hose that's going into the actual thermostat housing. Over here is the coolant temperature switch or sensor, whichever one they call it. But while you back here, I recommend you change both of them. It's kind of stupid just to change one. We don't know which one is actually causing the problem, but it's one or the other. We're going to go ahead and swap them out. We can't do it right now because I just ordered the parts. I'm waiting for them to come in, and it's going to take about a day or two to get them in. So I'll put them on the next video. I'm going to continue to detail and move forward. Alright, I got it all shined up with the Meguiar soap. Now I'm about to use the Meguiar's compound to get these swipes off the front bumper. It's one on the back also. I'll put a link in the description. Probably one of the best compounds on the market. You can use it with a buffer. Right now I'm just going to use my hand because I don't have my buffer with me. But either way, the results going to turn out good. It's a great product. So I always use this Meguiar's Ultimate Compound. Probably one of the best on the market. I've been using it for years on several cars, especially black cars. It works good. I like to wax the car with I think it's called Gabbana glaze if I ain't mistaken. But you just take like a little bit, you put it on the foam applicator. In this case, I put it on a microfiber towel, about the size of a penny is what you squeeze out the bottle onto your foam applicator on your microfiber towel. I rubbed it in, and then with a different microfiber towel, I went ahead and wiped it off after it hazed. I did this process about maybe 6 or 7 times until all the smudge marks come out, and then you kind of got a clear body. It's not 100%, but it gets it good, and I've been using it for years, so I trust it. The best way to do it is to buff it out with this same compound, and then hit it with some polish with the buff, and then also hit it with this Gabbana glaze wax, and it'll make it stand even more tall. Now, I'm not saying it's going to be perfect after this process, but it'll definitely be a step up. Can't be perfect because the body still got a little rust issues, just a few spots here and there that need to be touched up. But overall, it'll have it standing tall enough where you could breeze past the night and won't nobody even notice. Now, she ain't perfect, but she looking a lot better, I will say that. So I'm done for the day. I'm going to go ahead and shut it down, man. I'm tired. I've been messing with this truck all day, but made a little progress. I'm going to holler at my boy Roberto. Go ahead and see if he can make the body even better than this. And definitely get that inside cleaned out because I'm tired of looking at it, smelling it. It don't smell that bad, but I don't like riding around in no dirty truck, man. No dirty car, period. So I'm going to do that. Also, when the other parts come in, we're going to go ahead and replace them. I'll make a video on me detailing and a video also on me fixing the issue. But overall, I'm happy with my success for the day. As I zoom in, you can see the spots that was there, they no longer there. You can still kind of see the blemish marks. And like I said, if you use a buffer, it'll get it 10 times better. So I don't have mine with me today. We're going to go ahead and do that. Probably later on, maybe in a few days. You can see the rust spot down there where the fender meets the door. That got to be taken care of. So she's still a work in progress, but I got to step up from when I first got her. And that was my main goal from the day. Did I achieve my goal? Yeah, pretty much. And I'm going to continue on it tomorrow. Right now I'm tired. I'm finna sit back, probably crack me a little beer, make a little barbecue, and just relax, man. I appreciate y'all checking out the content. I got more to come. And like, if y'all need any of the products that I used, the link is in the description. Go ahead and check it out. Feel free to hit that link. All proceeds go to the channel. And I appreciate y'all. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Love and peace. Holla at you.